Hey, my name is Nick, and in this section, we'll be covering cleaning services. There are a couple of things that we want to handle in this particular section, and we want to look at the various options that we have based on the properties that we have. What are the different options that we can do? One of the biggest things you have to understand is that we have some fantastic options. For example, you can use Craigslist. You can go out there and look at this, like 99 flat. In fact, some of these things are super cheap. You won't have to. You don't have this on your as like this is a cleaning service, a bit expensive. Let's say a free estimate. So you can come in and work out a deal with some of these cleaners and have them come in and handle the cleaning of your service. You can do it yourself. One of the bigger things that is coming up now, the fantastic services that they'll come in and they'll handle the cleaning of your property for you. And another question is that, how do you handle clients that are coming in to your house? Where do you get them cheap? You're on a budget. You don't wanna, you wanna make a profit. A small profit. So there are sites that will go out and give you access to cleaners all over the place. You can hire them yourself off Craigslist. As you can see on the screen, there are quite a number of house cleaning services that are available. Like this is like a three areas cleaning offer in a triangle for $90 or $10. Yeah, $90 or $100. Carpet stretching, carpet installation, but this is a bit over the top. Now, as you're setting up your Airbnb, always remember there are some home cleaning services available for you from Amazon. They may be a bit expensive, but if you're buying a bunch of stuff from them, you can check them out and see what's available on there. I haven't used these guys before. I mean, I'll usually just go to Craigslist, but I mean, it's just one of the many options, one of the new providers. Turnover BNB. You have an enhanced cleaning badge on your website. So for supplies, I usually will go to the dollar store or Walmart.com or Target, not so much. I mean, but you can go whatever you feel comfortable with. The one thing I like about some places like Dollar General, they just they don't have the fluff of marketing. So basically, you are able to get home goods at less than $2-3. Just come there because you're going to need quite a bunch of this because you'll be hosting people. So just come in, stick them in the house. On the side, you can buy everything from towels or whatever, and they're quite cheap. Bath towels. I mean, you'll get these things on there. And they're quite cheap. I mean, you come in here, like if you go to Walmart, the towels may be slightly a bit expensive. Okay, but the general idea is like this is like $6.99. It's up for $2, so you can get like a whole set. Usually, what I'll do is I'll buy 2 to 3 sets of these things, and I'll just stick them in the closet. So when someone comes in, they have fresh. Do not use the same things these guys are using, and as immediately when they finish using them, take them to the cleaners. Make sure that you keep this place as clean as possible. Don't be cheap with everything from towels to sheets. Sheets, just go buy as many as you can. Buy as many fresh ones as you can, and then switch them because they a lot of people tend to be very sensitive with smell. Whether someone is black or someone is white, people are very sensitive to smell. So go out and buy yourself some good sheets. My favorite place to buy sheets would be overstock.com. You can go out there and buy some good sheets that look nice, and you can put them up on your bed. Look at them, it's like cheap, like $30. Some nice ones. You can have a whole set for $137. It's a one-time investment on some of these things. You can switch them every 3 to 4 months based on how many people are coming in to your house. And that's about it. One of the things that I prefer to do is that if you have 2, 3, 4, 5 units, then you can go out and get yourself a cleaning service. But usually it's not that big of a deal. Now, a cleaning service may come in maybe every 2 to 3 months. Just come in, have them have people come in and clean up the place. It's quite important to constantly have a clean unit. Now, and having a clean unit, don't get me wrong, is about also making sure that you give your customers options. Like even for yourself, you matter more than even the customers, because you want to put yourself in a position where you're not stretching out your pocket. It needs to be a profitable venture. So, like, I'll come to Dollar Tree, I'll come in and buy 2, 3, 4, 5 plates. I'll have extra plates that look nice. And usually customers, they're not, unless it's like a snowstorm, like right now in North Carolina, they're not too worried about, the product that you have. You want brand name items like Lysol. You can go out there and you can get it and just come in and put this up in the restroom. Particularly now, people are really crazy about, cleaning items. You can get Clorox wipes. And you can get Clorox wipes, and you can go out and put yourself in a position where you make sure your customer gets the best of the best of the best in terms of service. And it's important that you constantly go out there and make sure the customer gets everything that they should get. And Family Dollar is a fantastic place. Walmart is. But the idea is that you want to stock, because you're stocking up on quite a number of things. So you want to put yourself in a position, like let's say someone is coming in and they're like, they have a baby. So, okay, that's not your responsibility, but make sure you have towels. Make sure you have as many towels as possible. And that's it. The things are there, they're cheap. They're like $10, $20. You can come in, stick as much as possible in your closets nicely and leave them up there for the customers. You can get some nice thread counts, there for the customers. It's a one-time investment, and then you can rotate them 2-3 times every year. I'm assuming that you're going to be in business for a long time. Now, I don't want to go too much into more than that. I just want you to understand that, this is an easy process. Like once you commit to it, cleaning is very easy. A clean unit will always sell itself, and a dirty unit will destroy itself. Thank you very much, and on to the next.